welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by as always, and if you're new here, you're most welcome. You are the right. Today, just a quick one, we will be making special noodles, right? These are the ingredients I'll be using. This is the noodle. I love chicken noodles, the small one. You can use any noodles of your choice, be it onion, you can use. But I love this particular noodles, right? Okay, these are the ingredients I'll be using for this special noodles. I'll be using snail. This has been washed and set aside. In fact, it's coming from the freezer. It's frozen snail, okay? I will parboil this snail with this ingredient, chicken flavor of cow nuts, just 1 teaspoon of this to parboil the snail, and 1 nut cube, right? So these are all the vegetables I'll be using. This cabbage, spring onion, carrots, red pepper, this lettuce, green pepper, and red onion with cucumber. Okay, I won't forget this. This is tuna, just like titles of this, okay, for this special Indomie. Let's stay tuned. Indomie will go Harvard. Let's stay tuned and see how it's been prepared. This is not 5 minutes noodles. I know go lie you, okay? So stay tuned. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, like and share with friends and family, and make any of my recipe at home. It's healthy, okay? So guys, you can slice your carrot or any of your vegetable as you wish to slice it in any kind of shape you desire. So you guys know carrot contains so many health benefits that are good. So I advise us to consume carrots every day or on alternate days. Is good. Carrot contains a lot of vitamins. It contains vitamin A, so, and other vitamins and minerals. So you can consume carrots cooked or uncooked. You can consume it raw, you can consume it cooked, as you wish, okay? So carrot is so healthy, okay? So me, I like my carrot crunchy. Even if I use it in cooking, I love it crunchy, or better rough uncooked. I chew carrot. I will cut carrot, wash it, and just chew it without cooking, because I know it contains a lot, and I love health. So you see how healthy this carrot is looking. Spring onions have been cut and will be set aside. Okay, this Indomie go bad. So now let's give it a nice cut. With the cutting, you see how succulent this is looking. Yes, you can call me foodie, but a healthy one. just needed small parts. So guys, remember to remove every rough area, every rough part of this cabbage. It has been washed, but I'm gonna rewash it again because I don't want any kind of sand in this noodles. So let me quickly wash. So because I don't need much, I'm gonna be cutting just two quantity. So this quantity is very much okay for me for this noodles. So let me cut some of the edge. So before it's so thin, so you can cut it as you wish, as you desire. You can cut it so big, but I prefer this size. I'm doing it so good for me. So you cut. Let's check our cooking snail. Okay, now it's done. I would like to just steam it with this fresh. I'll start by heating oil. So I'm just adding small granite oil, just small, guys. Don't add too much, just little. You can see it's so small. So I will heat it and make a little sauce with it for my snail. So I'll start by scooping out this snail out from the pot. Okay, it's done already. You see? I'm not gonna waste the stock, the snail stock. I'll use it in making my noodles. Yes, it will be very yummy. So now the oil is hot. You see how to know when oil is hot. It's done, rather. You should be making this kind of shudder noise. Right. Use chopped tomato, but this is what I have at the moment. So it's just right. Then decide to add more. Guys, at this time I'll be adding this on a low heat, please, because you're just steaming it, because the snail is done already. We are just steaming the snail, so I will cover on a low heat. So guys, as the snail is still steaming, as we're giving it some time to steam very well, let's start our noodles. So this is it, boiling water for the noodles. So guys, let's check. So at this time, this is done, perfectly done. 10 minutes steaming. It's good. So I'll be adding little of this spring onion. So guys, I'm bringing this down. So it's done already. The water is boiling. Let's start with the boiling of the noodles as quick as possible. So I would like to toast parboil for like 1 minute. in hot water, just 1 minute. Oh wow, this came with 2 seasoning. Why? I don't know. 2 seasoning in 1 pack. So open up all the noodles you're using and parboil for 2 minutes, 1 minute rather, and break it down for just 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll be back. 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to be sieving out the water now into a sieve. You drain out the water. Onion, I won't be adding everything because I still want crunchy onion in this special noodles. Then stir fry. So I'm using medium heat. Then quickly add your chopped pepper and stir fry. Add part of the spring onion to bring out the aroma. I didn't add everything, I just needed the aroma of the spring onion. So I'll be adding my tuna fish. Why is it so hard? Come on. Then I'll stir fry. Snail stock into this. The going. Stir fry. So at this time, I will add the remaining onion, carrot, cabbage. Then I will turn to mix up there. So, after stirring, I'm going to cover to steam like 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay. After that, Indomie is done. Bring down the noodles. I'll quickly add my chopped green pepper and the remaining green onion. I will stir and burn down immediately. So our mushroom, is it mushroom? Oh my god, our snail noodles, it's done. Ooh, see how succulent it's looking. So now guys, our snail noodles is done. You can see looking all yummy. So what are you guys enjoying yours with? Me, I'll be enjoying my with Amstelmot. Okay, so this is finally what I made for my dessert. Okay, you can use any fruits you like, but now guys, this food is done and it's so delicious. Let me go enjoy it. Hi guys, so our snail noodles is ready. Guys, this is so detailed. Okay, quickly Make yours at home, enjoy with friends and family. And of course, I know your boyfriend, your husband, they're gonna like this and thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and stay tuned. See you in my next video. Bye. This Indomie Gapwa Harvard. You can see?